Yes, I found these tools in a plastic box out by somebody's trash. The first thing I will do is to just kind of clean the handles with some hand cleaner. And I won't show the whole process, just a little bit of it. And that gets the first bit of rust off, and then after that I use a sander. So we'll see how this goes. And we'll see if we can get these cleaned up. Grinding's not my favorite thing, but you gotta do what you gotta do. To clean up the fiberglass and the acetate handles, I use McGuire's Plastex and sanding sponges. It works really good. Next step is to do a little painting with Rust-Oleum paint. And I'm going to paint the underside here of the hammer. And I'm also going to redo the paint that is rubbed off of this handle.